Hi, my name is Carlos Bujanda and I graduated from the ALM management program from the Harvard Extension School. And I'm here today to tell you the importance of participating in communities that are organized by students within the university. Once you become part of the Harvard Extension School, one of the great opportunities that you have it is to belong to any of the groups available within Harvard. In my case, I wanted to participate in ways that I could help my fellow students, and I became part of the Harvard Station Student Management and Finance Club. It is a club that was made by students for the students, which actually create that environment that we all needed. It is to understand, what are the best courses or the recommended courses, from the students and hear from them. The other opportunity was to how we can actually write articles and publications that were up to the standards of Harvard, how our students could become closer to all the activities that we had within the university. So we were running, actually I was part of the leadership, especially I was leading communications. I was the chief editorial of all the articles and publications that were made by the students at the level of a publication of Harvard. So one of the things that we had is to keep the standards that Harvard actually asks from a publication perspective, and that includes making sure that we can write within the guidance of Harvard, and actually make, if you look at actually Google and you go into the Harvard Station Student and Management and Finance Club, you will find so many great articles written by students. So, and then once you become part of the Harvard Station School, you are part of a community. Actually, my club, we were trying to bring closer the student with the academic advisors and with the professors, and represent them. And I think that this is what Harvard means. This is what it needs to be in Harvard. I mean, being part of the Harvard Extension School, you are part of Harvard University. You have the same rights, you have the same goals, and it's actually to become a leader in your field. And nothing best than, even if you are remote, even if you are in any country in the world, you become part of that community. You take advantage of that. And hopefully, this helps you once you make the decisions to become part of the student community. You don't, waste time. Actually, join one of the students' communities that are available for you, and be part of that community to contribute for the students. So hopefully, this helps you to make the decision, and I hope to see you soon as part of the Harvard Extension School. Thank you.